Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I just received a couple new parts, so let's go take a look what I got and what we'll be installing today. Alright guys, so here we go. A Willie G derby cover in black. And a red spark plug wire kit by Screamin. So let's go ahead and do a quick install. Alright guys, the first thing I'm going to install is a spark plug wire kit. The kit comes with 2 short wires and 2 long ones, a couple of clips, and a dielectric grease. The dielectric grease will go on the inside of the boot, both front and back. Okay, I like to use something small like an ear cotton ball, and put just a little bit of grease on the tip and kind of go around on both ends, not to put too much inside. All right. So let's go ahead and remove the fronts first, install the short ones, and then go the other side and do the long wire. So the fronts are installed. I'm going to remove the 2 boots from the front, and then we'll go to the other side and install the long wires. Alright guys, that was a quick and easy install of the spark plug wire kit. Now let's go ahead and install the derby cover. One quick note, what I did was I put a couple of tiles underneath the peg just to kind of level out the bike a little bit, so if there's any oil here that's going to come out, I can minimize it as much as possible. Also put some sort of a rag or some napkins on there in case there's a few drops of oil that's going to come out. Alright, let's go ahead and install it.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
Alright guys, quick note. When you are installing a new derby cover, before you tightening all the bolts, make sure you follow the star pattern. So start, at the top and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And obviously follow the torque requirements according to your documentation. Alright guys, so that was quick and easy install of a spark plug wire kit and a Willie G derby cover. If this video was useful to you, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more install videos. We'll see you guys soon. Take care.